Okay, guys, welcome to the Thursday and the Friday directions. I'm just going to throw the Friday directions on here because we're just going to be working on the same thing today and tomorrow. And considering tomorrow you guys don't have to check in inside Google Classroom for attendance, I figured I would just make a two-for video right now. So you won't be seeing a Friday directions video from me because this is them because we're going to be working on the same thing today and tomorrow. So for the rest of the week, we're just going to cap off kind of our content of Rome, looking at the emperors and different things like that. We're just going to watch the engineering and Empire Rome video. So I just found one on EdPuzzle. So the reason we're going to do an EdPuzzle one is because I want you guys to watch the whole thing. So EdPuzzle allows me to see that you did that. So watch the video on EdPuzzle right here. You click on the link. You'll click play. It's two parts. It's the first Engineering and Empire. They weren't going to do a whole bunch of series like we've been watching. They weren't going to do the series with Peter Weller. They're just going to do like a one-time thing. But it was so good that, and people wanted more, that they ended up doing, an Engineering and Empire for all kinds of civilizations. But it was just supposed to be Rome. So this one's the best one, in my opinion. So you'll watch it here, and as you're working, you'll have a worksheet right here that goes with it. An Engineering and Empire Rome one. Again, you guys can just set. I'm pretty sure you could maybe file and make a copy with this one, but if you can't, if you're not able to, again, just set up your Google Doc to have it set up this way. And then just answer the 16 questions that go with it. You do not have to do the drawing stuff, obviously. All right, so do not do the drawings. Just do all of the questions where it says, like, basically describe or who or what went on like that. So that's the assignment, guys. Watch the video, answer the questions, and you'll be good to go. Since it's a 2-day video, a little bit longer, this assignment's going to be 20 points, 10 for today, 10 for tomorrow. You're only able to get the points if on your EdPuzzle, it tells me how much you've watched, percentage-wise. So you have to be able to watch the whole thing in order to gain the points. Obviously, if you didn't watch the video but you answer all the questions, that would be a red flag for cheating. So don't do that. You're going to have to watch the whole thing, and that's just the way it's going to be. And it's going to help you out too, obviously. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, email me. If you want to set up a independent Google Meet, email me about that too, and we can set that up. Otherwise, have a good day watching the video, and same thing for tomorrow, and you will hear from me again on Monday.